Maybe I should go see a therapist. Hey guys, so today I will be cutting my own bangs. Do I trust myself? No. Am I gonna do it anyway? Yes. So this started because originally at the beginning of this year I was like, I'm gonna dye my hair blonde and then I'm gonna go pink and I'm gonna be fierce. But that's expensive and I can't do that myself because I'm incompetent with hair dye. So the other night I was just like messing around and stuff and I clipped my hair. I clipped my hair back and it looked so funny. I'll insert a video now of me laughing at myself. And I was like, okay, but like this is kind of cute. So I decided I was going to get bangs. And then the next few days I was like actually pinning it back, trying to make it work. And I was like, this cute, I'm gonna do it. So that's how we got here. I put on my Twitter, I was like, should I cut my bangs myself? Should I go to a salon or should I go see a therapist? And everyone was like, go to a therapist, hunty, you need it. And I was like, okay, well, that's rude. So I then put it on my Instagram story and doing it myself and filming it won by like 1%. So follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want to take part in what I do to myself for my videos. So for the past few days I've been watching a lot of I cut my own bangs tutorials on YouTube, and that's how we're doing this. So I bought a hair comb, some hair scissors, some clips, and we're gonna do it. Honestly, my goal here is just to like have cute bangs and not end up in a Brad Mondo video because I would not be able to take that. Also, this is why I don't wear my hair down, because I serving you Lord Farquaad goodness. Okay, so let's do this. Can we talk about how I need to get my roots done? That's like embarrassing. We're just gonna section off a triangle here. And I'm gonna pin this back. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so not ready to do this. It's fine. I can't afford therapy, so this is how depressed people cope. I'm just gonna try and match it. Hair clips brought to you by Dollar Tree. Okay, wow, is that even? I think it's pretty even. Okay, all right, let's do this. I think I'm gonna try the like twisty one, and we're gonna start low. Okay, I need to do this. It's even, right? Okay, it's even enough, I think. I'm fine. Okay. Ariel, get yourself together. You got this. You're gonna look cute. I watched so many videos. Listen, if I end up in a Brad Mondo video, I'll kill myself. Just do it. It's like a shot. You just gotta do it. I think I'm gonna start right above my nose. Turn it. Flip it. Okay, ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Well, they're uneven, so. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna try the like fringy. I kind of want to go a little shorter. Alright. I feel so powerful. Oh my god, I love them. Okay. So I'm just gonna do that little thing that like hairdressers do. They're still too long. So I'm just so afraid of cutting them too short. Alright, we're gonna make them a little wispier. I have no clue what I'm doing. I love them. My hair needs to like learn how to sit in the middle instead of be parted. I still want them a little shorter, so I think I'm just gonna add more of do the wispy thing again, and hopefully they'll be a little shorter. This one just like, there we go. I think it looks so cute. I love them. I'm gonna buy a blow dryer so I can blow dry them out. And then also like I can continue with my like cute pinned up look. Just pin them back. I look like Bubby from Jimmy Neutron. The guy everyone says Post Malone looks like. He's my spirit animal. I genuinely, like, I can't believe I just did this. A lot of people, like, messaged me and were like, don't do it yourself, you're gonna fuck it up. And I was like, yeah, probably, but it makes a good video. I need content. I just can't believe I just did this. Honestly, like, alright guys, thanks for watching me cut my own bangs. I think they turned out really nice. Like, I like them even though they're not perfect. I think they look super cute. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. If you think I look cute, let me know in the comments. And that's it. Have a great day.